Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. We're out with the AirForce Texan 350 grain slug. We got a bit of turkey gizzard and giblet down there. Let's see if we can't make it blow up. Nothing says Happy Thanksgiving like flying turkey giblets, right?
Oh, whoa.
Alright, y'all. Just took a shot. Supposed to have been a super slow-mo. Had a packet of turkey gunk. It's a gizzard. Was sitting on top of that brick there. We had our Uline catalog, so our phone book. Went through the phone book. Behind that we had two of these griddle plates. There's our 350 grain slug, y'all. Knocked the other plate down. As you can see, cracked it also. A little bit of turkey everywhere. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Nielsen Special Day Ammo, 350 grain. Texan LSS carbon fiber 457. Let's say Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Woo!
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Alright, family, we did a round two because round one missed its slow-mo. You can see, we got the slow-mo this time. We also went through both plates all the way through our quote-unquote phone book, through the gizzard and the guts a bit, through the wood. You hit right there. It didn't come over here though. There's what's left. Still warm. And you know, it's only about 50 degrees out here. Still warm.
Yeah?